Welcome to Tropical Essence Global. Today, you'll discover how an ordinary coconut hunk becomes one of the world's finest premium growing media. At Tropical Essence Global, every premium product begins with strict quality standards, advanced processing, and a commitment to excellence from the very first step. Before we begin the manufacturing process, it is important to understand the remarkable raw material that makes premium cocoa peat possible. This coconut husk is our most valuable raw material. Inside it are two essential components, strong coir fibers and cocoa peat, the growing medium trusted by professional growers. Manufacturing process begins by feeding carefully select coconut husks into our industrial processing system. At this stage, the husk is separated from the hard coconut shell, preparing the raw material for fiber extraction and cocoa peat production. Inside this extraction system, the coconut husk is separated into two valuable materials. The long coir fibers are used in ropes, mats, and erosion products, while the fine cocoa peat becomes a premium growing medium for agriculture and horticulture. After extraction, the cocoa peat is carefully screened and graded. This process removes unwanted fibers and separates the material into consistent particle stirls before further processing. Controlling moisture is essential for producing premium cocoa peat. Our drying process ensures every batch reaches the correct moisture level, improving storage stability, product consistency, and export quality. Washing is one of the most important stages in producing premium cocoa peat. This process removes excess natural salts and helps achieve the electrical conductivity or EC required by growers around the world. Buffering prepares premium cocoa peat by replacing excess sodium and potassium with calcium. This helps create a stable growing medium that supports healthier root development and consistent crop performance. Every production batch is carefully tested before moving forward. We verify electrical conductivity, pH, moisture content, and consistency to ensure every shipment meets Tropical Essence Global's quality standards. Indoors quality is practiced from gross hydrological concept. By applying growth compression, it can loose compact for blocks that are easy to transport, store, and expand the customer's destination. Every compressed block is in for size, density, weight, and structural consistency before moving to the packaging line. Small quality checks at this stage help prevent major problems for our customers.
Approved. Every block is automatically wrapped, sealed, labeled, and prepared for packaging. Protects product quality, ensures full traceability, and guarantees every shipment meets customer specifications. Automated pallet tying ensures every shipment is stacked safely, consistently, and efficiently. Accurate pallet formation protects the products during storage and transportation while improving warehouse handling. Proper stretch wrapping protects every pallet from moisture, dust, and movement during transportation. A securely wrapped pallet arrives in the same condition it left our factory, ensuring customer satisfaction and reducing shipping damage.
After packaging, every pallet is identified, scanned, and stored under controlled conditions. Accurate inventory management ensures complete traceability and efficient export operations. Before loading, every shipment is carefully inspected to ensure it is clean, dry, odor-free, and suitable for international export. Proper loading protects product quality throughout the entire shipping journey. Cargo securing is just as important as manufacturing quality. Proper load distribution and restraint help protect every shipment throughout its international journey. For every shipment leaves our facility, we verify the container number, security seal, and export documentation. These final checks ensure full traceability and protect the integrity of every international shipment. Every shipment begins a carefully planned logistics journey. Safe transportation from our factory to the port is essential to maintaining product quality and ensuring on-time delivery to customers around the world. Our responsibility extends beyond manufacturing. Every shipment must pass strict logistics, security, and expert procedures before it begins its international journey. Precision continues beyond the factory. Every container is tracked and positioned according to an exact loading plan, ensuring safe port across international shipping routes. After a successful international journey, every shipment is inspected again upon arrival. Proper packaging and secure loading ensure our customers receive the same premium quality that left our factory. One compact block transforms into a high-quality growing medium with outstanding retention, excellent air porosity, and consistent structure, ready to support healthy root development. Healthy roots require the right balance of water and oxygen. Premium cocoa creates a stable environment that supports vigorous early establishment and consistent plant development. Premium cocoa peat is designed to retain moisture while maintaining excellent air porosity. This balanced root environment encourages strong root growth and supports consistent crop performance.